Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Spectrum Xumo remote in 2026. So first of all, as you can see, this is the Xumo remote and these are all the buttons. So you need to start with the directional pad. So it is the center portion in the remote, which is this one. So you need to use the arrow buttons, move through the menus, and you can press the OK button in order to select any of the options. You will also see the home button over here, which is this particular button. So this home button takes you back to the Xumo home screen, while the back button returns to the previous menu. Now you can also press and hold the microphone button and you can say the name of the movie, the TV show, any actor or genre, and the Xumo voice system can search across the Spectrum TV and supported streaming applications, helping you to find the content much faster than typing. Now, while watching the content, you may use the play and the pause button. So you will find the play and the pause button over here available. So you can also use it for fast forward, for rewinding. So when you are watching the TV, you can also press the right arrow button, and in order to open the mini guide and browse the channels without leaving the program you will currently watching. You can also use the back button in order to basically open the main Spectrum TV navigation menu. If voice command aren't working for you, the pair the remote with the Xumo device, and on most of the Xumo remotes you just have to simply press the voice button and wait for the pairing prompt. Then you can also press and hold the one button and three buttons together for a few seconds if instructed on the screen. So once it is paired, you will be able to use all the voice control features. You can also go through this particular instruction over here in order to see which button does what. So that's how you can basically use your Spectrum Xumo remote. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.